Look at this new 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the sunroof, power, tilt sliding, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3 LSP flex fuel, transmission, 6-speed automatic, wheels, 420 x 8.5 50.8 cm x 21.6 cm polished aluminum, luggage rack center rails, roof mounted, black, luggage rack side rails, roof mounted, black, and the license plate bracket, front. Call 910-798-2727 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.